In this video, I'm going to teach you how to massage the face. So we're going to start face up, and I'm going to start by massaging the face. And so my hands don't have any oil or lotion on them. As I start doing some more strokes, I'll probably add a little bit of oil. And so we're going to start with the forehead. And again, if someone's in a vulnerable spot, I'm not sure how well you know the person, but just let the person get used to your touch just by being really soft, light hands on the face. And also when I show the massage, I'm going to do the massaging so it's going to be easy on your hands, because I do understand a lot of people aren't professionals. So starting with this third eye, which is also a chakra point, or in Chinese medicine, this point's called yin tang. We're just going to do really gentle strokes along the bridge of the nose. And people love this. It feels so good. And then we're going to incorporate the eyebrow. Just alternating thumbs along the eyebrow point. And you can even communicate with the person you're massaging. If they really like something, you can pause on that. Now coming back and forth, crisscross across the forehead. You do have muscles in this forehead area that can get really tight. And at this point, if you feel like the person, depending on how dry their skin is, you can add just a little bit of lotion here, just to allow it to flow. And you can go back and forth, like so, along the forehead with a little bit of lotion. And then start with up and down strokes. Just across the forehead like so. And then when you're finished, just flatten out that forehead with the thumbs. And then continue on with the temple area. The job of this muscle, the temporalis, is to close the mouth while chewing. This area can be a very tight area on a lot of people. Spreading out the fingers, just working into this area. Moving down to the jaw. This muscle's the masseter. This muscle's also a primary muscle for chewing and closing the mouth. And both of these muscles can become very tight if someone grinds their teeth at night. Working in underneath the cheekbones. And then under the jaw, just stroking gently, alternating strokes. And you can even come in here and just do nice circles under this jawline. And then coming up underneath the ears, and my favorite part are the ears. Just between the finger and the thumb, just rub the ears, pulling gently. Alternating one hand and then the next. Coming up under the ears, nice rotational movements. The next part are just shiatsu points. We're going to press here, again in that third eye or the yin tang, and making our way out along the eyebrows. Just about a half an inch or a quarter of an inch space in between pressure. And depending on the size of the person, you may have to do 4 or 5 points. And then coming underneath the eyes, pressing, pressing. And in between the eyes, press and hold. And then come down the bridge of the nose, finishing with the fingers. And there's a point right on top of the lip, a point on either side of the mouth, as well as a chin point. And then you can finish the face off with a little bit of depotement. You'll see this a lot in massage videos where they're doing kind of that chopping action on the back. This is really nice to help open up because right here you have a lot of the sinus areas, and it can help break up a little bit of the tissue when you get that phlegm. And you also have sinuses down here. We will be launching a new YouTube video every Wednesday and Friday at 3 p.m. and I'll be available for any questions you have or suggestions for future videos.